everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a September inspired birthstone, which is Sapphire, which is the reason why I'm wearing some blue tone shades here. I love this eye look. It's really simple, but I feel like it's a little bold at the same time with blue shadow. So I really hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. If you are a September baby, let me know down below. And the palette that I did take was my Jaclyn Morphe palette, and I just went ahead and used all the shades that are on my eyes using this palette right here. So if you guys are interested to see how I created this look, just continue watching. But first, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I do upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So definitely subscribe down below again so you don't miss out on any good, great videos of mine. So if you want to see how I created this eye look, just keep on watching. So for this Sapphire makeup look, we're going to be taking the Jaclyn palette, and the 2 shades we're going to be taking in our crease are going to be Pooter and also Pukey. So those 2 brownish colors right there. And I'm just going to be taking a fluffy blending brush and dipping my brush into both shadows, and again just applying it into my crease. This eye look is really simple. I'm just going to take another brush, which is going to be this one by AOA Studio. It's part of the the puppy collection. I'm not sure exactly, but it's the pink handle brush set. It's the E130 brush. And I'm just going to be taking a mix of the 2 browns on this side right here, which is called Chip and also Mocha. And I'm just going to go in really lightly just because I just want to deepen up my crease just a tad more with these 2 colors. I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush again and kind of blend out any harsh lines that I may have. So for my lid, I'm going to be taking like a fat packing brush. This is just a Morphe brush. It came in a brush set, so it doesn't say what brush it is, which really sucks actually. And I'm going to take this color and this color, so they're called In Light and Silk Cream. I didn't want something too stark white on the lid, so that's why I kind of mixed both of those shades together. And what I did was go in with In Light first, the lighter shade, and packed it onto the lid. And then to kind of tone it down, I went in with Silk Cream and just packed it on top. So for my liner, I actually used the blue shade that's in this palette, which is called Twerk. And I actually used some tape to create like a really sharp line. So I'm going to take a piece of my tape here and put it on the back of my hand to kind of get rid of the stickiness. And just do it a few times just to, again, get rid of the stickiness so you don't kind of yank on your eyelid. And then I'm just going to kind of put it where the edge of my eye is to kind of the edge of my eyebrow. And just tap it right here so it gets like a really sharp line. And I'm going to take this blue liner. This is by Urban Decay. It's a 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Chaos, but you can take any blue shade you want. I'm just going to line the edges right here and also like the lash line. And then I'm going to go in with a kind of pencil brush. This is a Coastal Scents brush. It just has some numbers on it, but I will put the name on it on the screen here. And I'm going to go in with the blue shade again called Twerk that's in the Jaclyn palette. And I'm just going to kind of set this and also kind of smoke it out as well with the same brush. And I am bringing it in here as well, like kind of really close to my lash line. So now what I'm going to do is get rid of the tape and hope that I have a sharp line. So let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. So if you guys ever have any issues with having like a super sharp line, or even if you use liquid liner, put a piece of tape right there so it can have like a really sharp line for you guys there. And I did also go in with the black, which is called Abyss, and kind of to deepen up this line a little bit also, because Sapphire is more like a dark blue, not so much bright. But this line is sharp. So I'm going to apply mascara and lashes off of camera. For mascara, I'm just going to be applying the Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline, and then for lashes, I'm going to be taking the Iconic Lights by House of Lashes. So I'll be doing both of these off of camera, and I'll be right back to finish off the lower lash line. So now what I'm going to do is go in with a really small, precise brush like this. This is also a Morphe brush, again, also in a set that I got. Kind of sucks that it doesn't come with the, like, brush names on these, but I'm going to pack on some of the Twerk shade and apply it really close to my lash line right here, just to kind of hide the lash line a little bit, or the lashes. So now I'm just going to go in with my 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Chaos again and just do my waterline. And then I'm going to go back into this small, precise brush and really pack on the Twerk shade and apply it really closely to my under eye area right here. I'm going to go in with this brush. This is the Morphe M433 brush with the Twerk shade. And again, just applying it on my lower lash line and really smoking it out. I'm going in with my little precise brush and kind of packing it on anywhere where I would have any gaps from blending. I'm just going to go in with my flat packing brush again and apply the two shades that I applied in my in my lid shade. Just apply it right here in my inner corners. And this look is pretty much complete. I'm just going to finish off the lower lashes with a few coats of mascara and apply your favorite lippy, and we are done with the look. If you are wondering what's on my lips, I'm just taking the Too Faced Sex on the Peach lipstick, which is this one right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Sapphire inspired birthstone makeup tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!